Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So I just received a bunch of little bits and pieces for my bike. So let's go ahead and quickly take a look what I'm going to be installing today. Alright, so starting on the left we have a Defiance collection headlight trim kit. I like the fact that it's not all black, it's got little silver accents on it. The next one is a Willie G timer cover. Then we have a Defiance collection shifter peg. And last but not least, a seat hardware kit. It's in gloss black, so going to replace that stock silver one to match with the whole black look of the bike. Alright, so let's go ahead and quickly install each one. Alright, starting was the easiest of them all. We're going to do a hardware seat kit. Alright, so it comes in two parts. Basically, you have this little cap that goes on top. It's a double-sided tape, so we're going to peel it off. Alright, peel it off, place it right in the center, press, good to go. Just take off the stock one. Alright, so line the whole back. And that's it. Oh, that was hard. Alright, next on the list is a Willie G timer cover. And just two hex screws. Alright, let's get the Willie G cover. Next on the list is a Defiance collection shifter peg. Let's go ahead and take off the stock one. Alright, it's done. We'll give you a quick look of side by side of Defiance collection versus the stock one. Alright, and last but not least is a Defiance collection headlight trim. Let's remove the stock one. Just a regular Phillips head. Alright guys, so that will do it for today. I have a bunch of other little things that's coming in shortly, like new clutch and brake levers in black, and the new derby cover, as well as some other things. So stay tuned for more install videos. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for future updates, and we'll see you guys soon. Have a great one.